Cooking with Chef Rick, bitch. So cooking on my shit. I don't know what I'm gonna cook. I'm just cook something. Come on. I just know that this got pasta, a little bit of taki in it, motherfucking parsley. You got the ground beef. You got the penne noodles. You got the taco seasoning in it. Then I'm gonna hit you with a little bit of this, cause you know I tried something new. Y'all ain't know about this shit though. Bow. Put that bitch in up. Y'all don't even know. And then I'm finna have somebody test it out for you so then y'all can get a real reaction that nigga I just cook shit and make it work, nigga. Look, that's what the penne noodles though. Look, this one, it's got penne noodles, but then we got 2-day-old rice in that bitch. But listen, I just had enough penne noodles to go around, so I just added the rice in that bitch to make it more. You feel me? Good shit. The regular nacho tacos. No, it's the nitro, man. For sure. So look, I'm gonna have somebody come up and test it, and then we gonna get their thoughts, man. Hey, you cook with Reed, bitch. You ready for me?
Oh yeah.
It's free. It's free, right? You saw I get a scoop. You can't take that back. You said one scoop at least. Where's that? What's all this shit in it? What's all this in it? Out in the air. It's good though.